Good morning. I am coming at you from Pennsylvania. I am enjoying a cup of health tea with my daughter. It is turmeric, lemon, ginger, and ashwagandha, and a few other things. It's delicious, and we just talked about opening a little business together. She would do most of the mixing and processing of the herbs, and I'm going to be going to gather them from all parts of the United States. So I think that could be part of my next journey, and it's going to be not on the road, but it's going to be on the train tracks. So stay tuned for some really exciting lives from the train. I know I have been such a slack this week, and when I start getting not knowing what to do, then I just chill out and try to listen to what the universe has in store for me. And I think this is it. So things are coming together, and I'm going to be on my way back to California real soon. So I hope to see you, and I hope that we can hang out and chill out together. Cheers.